Hello, everyone, and welcome to this month's watch list review for the month of October. I have not looked at this, so I don't know how they've done, but this was the watch list I had for last month: NVDA, GM, Myrna, eBay, Wayfair, Fiven. So let's take a look and see how they did. I don't know how they did. I did trade a couple of them, but got out of them pretty quickly because the ones I did get in moved pretty quickly. So there was yeah, it's been a while since I've looked at them. So Nvidia, we were looking for break to the downside. We did get it. If we go to the monthly, you see we got break to the downside. It triggered. It broke target one, almost hit target two before it reversed back up. So while it's a huge green candle, it still did hit the first target, which was over a $5 move to the downside. And it actually moved almost $10 from the trigger. So let's take a look at the daily on that. So we're looking at back. Trying to see where this would have been right here. We were looking for a break below this candle. So we popped below it here, popped back up, and then on the fourth we broke below it and hit our first target. So that one worked out, and you see as soon as we hit that first target, we went just a little bit further and then it took off on us. But nonetheless, you still had a good chance to get out at target one. GM, we were looking for a break to the upside. This was what we were looking to break right here, break this high. You see we broke it. The first on the 4th, which was the second trading day of the month. On the 4th, we broke it, took out target 1 and target 2 before we pulled back a little bit. Probably would have stopped out here, I would assume. And then it took off and took out all 5 targets. I think there were only 5. Yeah, it took out all 5 targets. So GM gave you a good opportunity to win, to make some money there. I say win, but it's not really winning, it's earning. So on Myrna, we were looking for a break to the downside, which would have been right here. We're looking for a break below this. We actually gapped down. We actually gapped all the way down below target 1. So for me, this is no entry. This is a dead trade once this happens. A little bit of a gap, maybe, or if it gaps and comes back up and almost fills that gap. But on this look, for me, it's a no trade. But if you did take it, you definitely could have made some money on it. eBay, we're looking for the downside move. See, we triggered it here and took out target 1. So there was a chance there to make some money. Wayfair, we're looking for a break below this. On the 1st, we broke below it. We did close close to that trigger, but then the next trading day, which was a Monday, it came down and it bounced just a little bit, took out target 1, almost hit target 2. So Wayfair was a winner. 5 and looking for a break below this candle here. We just barely broke it here, popped right back up, but then the next day, which was a Monday, we came right back down. I would have been stopped out of this trade here. Depends on how you trade it. If you set your stops, you probably would have, worst case scenario, you probably had your stops here, which would have taken you out. But you may not have got in it on this break. I don't know. It depends on the trader. But if you did stay in it, you definitely hit some nice targets there. So that's all I have for this month's video, the review. They all look pretty good. Uh, you got to remember when you're trading a monthly, you're probably buying at least a couple weeks out, probably the following month. So if for October, you're probably trading November's expirations, and you're going to have your stops just a little bit looser on a monthly because it's a swing trade. Generally, it's a swing trade. Sometimes it all happens in one day, but you're expecting to be holding at least overnight, maybe 2 days. Um, so you should have your stops a little bit looser. Now this here's too loose. Um, I'm not going to say you should have held through this because I wouldn't have. But so anyway, that's my video for this month for my weekly or my monthly watch list review. Again, this is what I posted on Twitter and what I used in my last video for the monthly preview. So that being said, that's the video for this month. I'll run some scans here in a little while, and we'll get some videos up for the weekly watch list and a video out for the November watch list. So thanks for watching. See you later, and bye.